How to convert an RGB image to Numpy array. I have an RGB image. I want to convert it to Numpy array. I did the following. It creates an array with no shape. I assume it is an image object.
Fill, Python imaging library, and Numpy work well together. I use the following functions. The image.fromArrays is a little ugly because I clip incoming data to 0 to 55, convert to bytes, then create a grayscale image. I mostly work in gray. An RGB image would be something like
You can use newer opencv Python interface. If I'm not mistaken, it is available since opencv 2.2. It natively uses Numpy arrays. Result.
You can also use matplotlib for this. Output.
Late answer, but I've come to prefer the Imagio module to the other alternatives. Similar to cv2.imred, it produces a Numpy array by default, but in RGB form.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.